How to make your ears pop. Pressure in your ear can be caused by a number of things. Ear infections, change in altitude, earwax buildup, your stupid dumb face. But don't worry, there's a number of ways to relieve that pressure in your ear, and we're going to talk about it. What's going on, Joel here, and I amusingly answer questions that are searched for every single day on the interweb. I occasionally live stream and make vlogs, so subscribe for all the fun. We're going to walk through 5 ways to make your ear pop if it's got a lot of pressure in it. The first way to make your ear pop is the gold standard of ear popping. It's actually something that I'm sure you're quite used to already, and that's swallowing. So yeah, just keep doing what you were already gonna do later this evening. Swallow. I mean your food, you sicko. What else would you be swallowing? Jeez, people are so gross. Okay, if you gotta chew on some gum, go ahead and chew, alright? Suck on some hard candy. Sucking on hard candy can whatever. What else do we suck on besides candy? If you have anything other than candy to suck on, go ahead and suck on it. Whatever builds up the saliva and helps you swallow. This next way to make your ear pop, it's actually something you're probably used to seeing a lot because every time you speak, it's what people do. Yawning, because you're boring. Seriously, just stop talking. Start yawning. Your ears will be depressurized in no time. That's just science. Third way to make your ears pop is called the Valsalva maneuver. According to Healthline, I'm reading this off Healthline. This one, basically, you're gonna keep your mouth closed, like you should always be doing anyways, and you're gonna pinch your nostrils shut, but you're gonna leave just enough space for you to blow some air out. And then just blow air out through the tiny space in your nostril. If there's too much air coming out, then pinch harder. A fourth way to depressurize your ears is by using a warm washcloth. And you're just gonna press it up against your stupid ear. Holding a warm washcloth or covered heating pad against the ear can help eliminate congestion and open the eustachian tube. It may be most effective if you have clogged ears due to a cold, the flu, or allergies, or I guess maybe even coronavirus. This fifth method we're going to discuss here is Toynbee maneuver. Who's naming these? For this one, you're going to continue to do what you should be doing with your life, and that's keeping your mouth closed, and you're going to pinch your nostrils as well, but instead of blowing air through your nose, you're just going to swallow. So basically plug your face holes and swallow. Wow, that's effective. My ears didn't even need popping, but when I plugged my face holes and swallowed, there was popping happening. The moral of this video is keep your mouth shut, suck on things, and swallow and yawn. Swallow and yawn. If you were able to pop your ears because of this video, I want you to subscribe and like and comment, you selfish son of a bitch. Don't just go around with depressurized ears and not have me in your life afterwards. Coronavirus. Keep your ears clean.